Look up, look down, look all around. Up in the air or on the ground. Come for a walk, come for a ride. There's so much to see, so come outside.
I love the sound of wet days, the patter of the rain, the swishing of the water as it tumbles down the drain, the splashing through the puddles in my boots so shiny red, and raindrops on the window when I'm tucked up warm in bed.
Hello, me dears. It's such a lovely sunny day. We've just been to the seaside. Soon be home, Pippin. I have my tea in the garden today. Dear, oh dear, it's pouring with rain.
Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. He stepped in a puddle right up to the middle and never went there again.
Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. He stepped in a puddle right up to the middle and never went there again.
Look at my newspaper, soaking wet, and I haven't even read it yet. It's all right for you, Pippin. You like the rain. I can't think why.
Pippin, Pippin in the rain. She likes to make her hair wet. She thinks it's all a game. I've never tried to dry out a newspaper before. I've got a funny feeling it isn't going to work. Chasing raindrops, puddles splashing, up and down she's running, dashing. Pippin, Pippin in the rain. Pippin likes the rain.
I like the rain because it makes flowers big and beautiful. I don't like the rain because it makes my clothes wet. I like the rain because after it a rainbow comes. I like the rain because it wets my hair and it gives animals water.
Pippin, Pippin in the rain. She likes to make her hair wet. She thinks it's all a game. It's raining, it's pouring, the rain is never pouring. Pippin thinks it's all a laugh. She likes it better than a bath. Do you like the rain?
Pippin! Come and help me unload the plane. There you are, Pippin. You can carry your box. It's a good job I put new gutters up last month. Can you see the gutter up there? It collects the rainwater and takes it to the pipe. It pours down the pipe and into the drain.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And then Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Well, I won't be having my cup of tea in the garden, that's for sure. Are you still hungry, Pippin? I'm surprised there's anything left in your box. There you are, you see. It's empty. You ate it all at the seaside. Never mind, there's plenty more. Good gracious me, what was that?
Look at that! The gutter's fallen down. That should do it. Now my hair's all wet.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And then Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the spout again. Horrid weather. I hate it. I shouldn't grumble about the rain. The garden needs water. So do the birds. So do the wild animals. So do the rivers. We all need rain to give us water. I know a story about some animals who found out what it was like to be without water. Let me see if I can remember it. Tiddalick the Frog woke up one morning and said, "I'm so thirsty I could drink a lake." And that's exactly what he did. Then he drank a river. Then he drank a stream. He drank all the water he could find until he was so full he lay down and fell asleep. He had drunk all the water in the land. The plants and trees began to die, and the grass turned brown. The animals and birds became very thirsty. If they didn't have water to drink, they would die too. Then a wise old wombat said, "If we make Tiddalick laugh, he'll open his mouth and all the water will come pouring out." So the lizard told a joke, but the only one who laughed was the kookaburra. The budgerigars sang a silly song, but Tiddalick didn't laugh. The kangaroo jumped over the koala bear, but still Tiddalick didn't laugh. Then suddenly the duck-billed platypus popped up from her burrow in the ground. "Stop all this noise at once," she said. "I'm trying to get some sleep." Tiddalick began to smile. He'd never seen such a funny-looking creature, with her furry body, webbed feet, and duck's beak. And then Tiddalick laughed. And as he laughed, all the lakes and rivers and streams came pouring out of his mouth. The plants and trees and grass began to grow again, and everyone had enough to drink. "Hooray for Platypus!" shouted the animals. Platypus had no idea what she'd done, but she enjoyed being the centre of attention. "I feel a bit warmer now I've dried out. My newspaper's dry too. But look at it. It's ruined. Oh, never mind. As soon as the rain stops, Pippin can go to the shop and fetch me another one. Where is she? Is she still outside?
Oh, it has stopped raining. Pippin! Ah, there you are.